Okay, for 116, they want us to solve this system over here, right? So for A, it says, describe what happened when you solve. So the system is y equals 3x plus 2 and 6x minus 2y equals 8. So since it's kind of set up for us for substitution, I'm going to take that y and substitute it in there. So the bottom equation becomes 6x minus 2 times y, but I'm going to put in the 3x plus 2 equals 8. And then I'll distribute. So 6x minus 6x, negative 2 times 2 is minus 4 equals 8. 6x minus 6x is 0, so I have negative 4 equals 8. And I say, when does that happen? And it never happens, right? So describe what happened when you tried to solve. The variables canceled out, and I understand that this means that there's no solution. And the way that can happen with two linear equations is when the lines are parallel, right? So let's just do a quick graph, right? We don't have to make it. So y equals 3x plus 2, that's 2 is the y-intercept, and then a slope of 3, right? So I'm going to go negative and negative since it'll fit better. Down 3 over 1 to the left, right? So that's a positive 3. So there's the line, right? For the second equation, this one, I'm going to get the x and y intercept. So if I put a 0 in for x, I get negative 2y equals 8, right? I would get negative 2y equals 8, so the y-intercept is negative 4, right? Y-intercept, negative 4. So I'm going to graph that point. And then if I put a 0 in for y, I get 6x equals 8, x equals 8/6, or x equals 4/3. So the x-intercept is 4/3, right? There's 1, 2, so 1 1/3 is there. And if we graph it, right, we can see that the lines are parallel. So the reason why the graph corresponds to the solution is that the lines never intersect, and when we're trying to solve a system, we're looking for the point of intersection. So this would be no solution.